Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Windows Update in Windows 11. So if you guys tired of Windows 11 force updating right when you're in the middle of a game or maybe a big project, here I'm going to show you how you can pause them so you can get your work done without interruptions. So what you need to do in here, you can just go to the settings. You can press on Windows plus I to open the Windows settings and click on the Windows Update. And in here, you can see there will be this option Pause Updates. In here, you can just select the option Pause for 1 week. Or you can also extend this up to 5 weeks if available. You can see that there is a maximum amount of post time, so you need to choose carefully. And after that, the Windows Update will be paused for the times that you choose. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.